Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video we will learn how to use a stacked area chart using the sheet feature in Canva. So for this, first open the Canva app. After opening the Canva app, click on the sheet options. Now you can see a blank workbook is displayed. Just click on any of the cell. Now click on actions option. Click on magic charts. Just drag it up. You can see the option named chart library. Scroll down, you can see different area charts. So today we will discuss the stacked area chart. Just click on stacked area chart. Now you can see a demo stacked area chart is displayed in my workbook. So now we will discuss it one by one. Beneath you can see there are two options. One is the data tab and other is the customize tab. First we will discuss the data tab. Under the data tab you can see a Excel file is displayed or a workbook is displayed which contains all the data which is used to make the stacked area chart. So you can see there are four columns. First column is the month column: January, February, March, April, May. Second is the desktop, mobile. Third is the tablet, and fourth is the second is the desktop, third is the mobile, fourth is the tablet column. It means in this area chart how much sales is been done in different months of desktop, mobile and tablet is displayed. For example, in month January, desktop sale is 0, mobile is 12 and tablet is 18. February, desktop is 12, mobile is 14, tablet is 20. Likewise, just scroll down. You can see import data option. By clicking on the import data option, you can import any data which you have made in Microsoft Excel or any other Google Sheet features or any other software. You can import the data in this workbook. In the right hand side you can see two arrows are there, small. One is the vertical arrow, another is the horizontal arrow. This is actually the transpose option. It actually does is it converts all the rows into columns and columns into rows. Next is the delete option. By clicking on the delete option, all the data will be cleared in this workbook or all the data will be deleted. Next comes the chart setup option. First comes the labels. It means in the x-axis what labels will be displayed. For example, in this stacked area chart, we will use the labels months. For example, January, February, March, April, May will be displayed in the x-axis. Names will be displayed in the x-axis. You can change it also by clicking on the down arrow. For example, see, month is displayed. It is given tick mark here. You can select desktop or mobile or tablet or any other columns. I will leave it to months only. Second comes the lines. What values to show? Means lines means the y-axis. Okay. So in the y-axis, our sales data will be displayed. So desktop to tablet sales data is chosen here. See, desktop, mobile and tablet. Three columns are selected, means three data will be displayed. Three types of data will be displayed. One is for the desktop, other is for the mobile and another is for the tablet. You can untick it. If you untick it, desktop data will be gone. If you untick it, mobile data will be gone. Only tablet, see, you can see mobile, only tablet data is displayed. Mobile and desktop is gone. Likewise, you can select all three, or randomly you can select any one, any two, any three. It's up to you. See, now only tablet and mobile data is displayed. If I tick on the desktop, see, now all the three desktop, mobile and tablet data is displayed. Next comes the aggregate data option. Just click on the down arrow, you can see different functions: sum, average, count, maximum, minimum and median. You can do sum calculation, average also for the sales, count how many sales, how many pieces of desktop, mobile or tablet is being sold for a particular month, minimum, maximum sales and median value. You can calculate all these. Next comes the customize tab. In the customize tab, first comes the text option, the legend. Legend means above the chart which data is displayed, the name. Okay, if I untick it, see, the desktop, mobile and tablet was displayed, name was displayed, it is removed. If I again take it on it, see, it is displayed, tablet, mobile and desktop. This is the legend, means which color displays what, or which color indicates what sales or what item sales. Exist labels. See, if I untick it, all the exist labels, for example January, February, it is written, it will be removed. See. Next comes the title. You can add a title to your chart. For example, if I add a title now, sales data for the year 2025 2026. See, a title is displayed above my legend. You can add a subtitle also. You can add a source text. For example, from which source this data is displayed, you can add a source text also, or you can link any external website also. Next comes the x-axis option. You can add a x-axis title. For example, if I give the what is x-axis, this month, so months. Y-axis title, y-axis is sales. See, now you will see two titles are displayed. One is for the x-axis months, other is for the y-axis, which is sales. Now you can set the y-axis range values. For example, my minimum I will choose as 10 and maximum 50. Okay, if you do this, then from minimum value 10 is displayed and maximum 50. It means 10 to 50 range will only be displayed here. Values greater than 50 will not be displayed, and the values less than 10 will not be displayed in this chart. So I remove this. I need all my data, no maximum and minimum. Next comes the increments. If I do increment, see, there are two options. One is the minus option and other is the plus option. If I click on plus option, my y-axis values increases. It is taking some time. Wait a bit. See, increments, if I do first, it is given as default, the default chart, the default values from 0 to 140. Okay, just concentrate on the sales y-axis option, y-axis line. Okay, just see it. If I click on plus, see, as you click on the plus option, the more in between data is displayed. See, first of all, it was from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Okay, now the intermediate values, for example, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. It means from 0 to 10, intermediate data 5 is also displayed. So the chart becomes more accurate. If I click again on plus 50, see, now it is showing 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18. The chart becomes more accurate. The y-axis values displays more data. Okay, more intermediate data is displayed. Next comes the settings option. Grid lines. The grid lines are the horizontal lines, small, which you can see in the chart. It is by default displayed. If I click on it, if I uncheck it, it is gone. See, the horizontal lines are gone. Next comes the tool tips. It is nothing. Okay, now next comes the filters. You can add filters to your data. First is the select data. First you have to select the data for which you want to add filters. Column headers, I will want to add filters for my tablet, desktop and mobile data. Okay, you can add filters for the month data also, or only the desktop, mobile or tablet data also. Okay, so I will keep it to all these three, table, tablet, mobile and desktop. Okay, what style of filters you want to use? There are two styles. One is the buttons and another is the range slider. I will keep the buttons. The filter color I will use is red. The filter button color. Now you can choose allow multiple selections, so that you can add multiple filters or you can display the data of multiple filters. Okay. See, by adding filters, below the title you can see another option is displayed: tablet, mobile and desktop. Okay, now from the chart itself you can choose what data to display in the chart. Let me show you. See, now only the tablet data is displayed, as I have clicked on the tablet button. If I click on the mobile button, both tablet and mobile data is displayed. If I click on the desktop button, all the three data is displayed. Now you can uncheck the tablet button also. If you click again on the tablet button, tablet data will be displayed. If you click on the tablet button, data will be removed. Similarly for the mobile, now mobile and desktop data are displayed. If I click again on the mobile button, mobile data is removed. If I click on the desktop button, now no filter is added, so all the three datas are displayed. Okay, so this is the filter option. So this is the data and customize tabs function. Now comes the color function. or the color options. You can choose different colors for the different data. For example, the first color white is the background of the chart. You keep it white, I will suggest. It looks nice. Then comes the light yellow or orange color. It is for the tablet. You can click on it and you can select any color, or you can choose from a gradient style also. Second comes the mobile color. Third comes the desktop color. Next is the padding. Padding is the size of the chart. Keep it low. Next comes font, text styles, font size, color, format of the font, transparency of the chart, position of the chart, nudge. Nudge means you can move the chart in the workbook left, right, down, and up. See, if you click on up arrow, chart is shifting up. If I click on down arrow, chart is shifting down. If I click on right arrow, chart will be shifted to the right. If I click on left arrow, chart will be shifted to the left. Next comes the more option. You can see three dots. Just click on it. There are many options available in the more option. You can copy the chart. You can copy the style of the chart. You can paste, copy paste options, duplicate the chart or delete the chart. You can comment, add a comment. You can add a comment also for the chart. You can lock the entire chart or lock position and appearance of the chart. You can link any external website or external source for this chart. For example, if you have taken data from an external website or any external source, you can just add it here or link it here. You can translate the text which is displayed in the chart. Next comes how to download this entire workbook or only the stacked area chart which you have created. For this, just click on the up arrow which you are seeing on my mobile screen at the top. Then click on download option. See, for file type you must select as, if you want to download the entire workbook, you can select CSV or XLSX so that you can open it in any Microsoft Excel software or Google Sheets feature. If you want to download only the chart as a JPG or PNG, you can select JPG. You can select the pixel or quality of the chart, then click on download. Wait for some time. See, download is finished. You can find the file downloaded in your files app and open it as JPG. You can share it also. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.